Hello, ladies. How are you today? And today we are going to talk about think bigger, dream bigger, and get it done. I am Deb. You were in the office with Deb, and it's a new year, new month. You know as well as I do. We got things we've been sitting on in our homes and office, whether it's clearing the paperwork off your desk, or getting that pantry organized, whatever it is, you just look at it and you're like, oh, I don't feel like doing it. I'm not doing it. But you know that you need to get it done. You know that. And this is where we're going to say, we've been building up this week in January. We've taken care of the bills, the streaming apps, we've got all that done. We let go of stuff. So now we're gonna up the ante a little. We're gonna up it. And we are going to tackle think bigger, dream bigger, get it done. What you don't realize is about when you start thinking bigger and dreaming bigger, and you're like, what does this got to do with home organization? Well, when you think better, bigger, dream bigger, you start inspiring yourself to get it done, to be productive, to really get your mind set to it and just get in that office, get in the desk, get on your desk and say, I can't take it anymore. That's it. I'm going to take care of these papers. We're putting it away. All right, you go in this pile to be filed. You go in that pile to be shredded, whatever. Take that time. Now, think better, bigger, whether it's your home, your office. What do you want? What does inspires you? What gets you going? Is there a book you've been dying to read and you just haven't gotten to it yet? Maybe you need to pull out that book and really get into that book and do it for your self care. And then maybe you can work up the courage to say, okay, I will tackle that pantry. I will set a goal of one wall a month. I can do this I got 4 weeks to do this. I could do these four shelves on this wall. I could one this month, and next month I could do the other four shelves, and next month the other four shelves. Because what happens when you're done with that project that you've been putting off? It is sweet satisfaction. It's a job well done. It's a show off job. It's a brag about a job. And you feel more inspired and inclined and in your business and what you want to do, your wheels are going to start thinking bigger, dreaming bigger, and doing it. Think bigger. You're like, well, how can I think bigger? Think differently. What do you want to get done? What you need to do for yourself? What you need to be letting go? Get rid of those excess bills, remember we've talked about? And your dream is to have that organized pantry. Go ahead and start on it. Little increments at a time. Get it going. Think big. What do you want to do this year? Did you want to plan a 50th birthday party or a 30th birthday party or your daughter's sweet 16 birthday? What is it? Think bigger. Think out of the box. Don't be afraid to take that risk and get it done. Because when you improve one area in your life, whether it's you want to work on that sweet 16 birthday party that you've been dying to work on and get started, that inspires the other areas in your life. It motivates you. It encourages you. It really gets you going. because we can do it all. As women, you know we can. We've been doing it for years. How many different things? Last year, my file cabinet hasn't been cleaned out in years. It took me 3 months. I got it done. Am I happy? Oh God, yes. Am I happy? I did it in 5, 10 minutes a day. And I did not do the work on the weekends either because I had everybody home in my way. I did it like no, I did do some a little bit on the weekend. I had a special folder, a little folder here and there, the few little ones that I could go through real fast, boom, 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 and I did it. Like I said, it took me 3 months, but I did it, and I know you could do it too. That's where you have to take these bigger projects, chunk them down, and as you start getting things done, you're going to start feeling better and more encouraged. You're like, oh, I got to get this done. I got to get this done. I want to get this done. I'm halfway there. I'm halfway there. I could do it. I could do it. I could do it. So think bigger, dream bigger, get it done. Get it done. That is what we're going for this January because it's a new year, new you, new inspiration. Now, don't forget, I have my Organize Your Home and Office for Productivity group where we're working on there. We're taking it, our rooms, the room we want to work on, the most important room to us, and we are breaking it down and getting it done. If you're interested in that special group, let me know and DM me and let me know. Now, go ahead, figure out what you want to do. Tell yourself, think bigger, dream bigger, get it done. Think bigger, dream bigger, get it done. Because let's get inspired for new dreams, new hopes, new wishes, new year, and really sink our teeth into that project that we've been putting off and start on it. Ladies, thank you so much today, and I will see you in the group. Any questions, comments? Get them in there. Bye.